And then another story. Na Parabandamba Champions League, European Champions League. Samuel Eto'o fees be there for Parc des Princes Stadium for PSG yesterday. It for tribune, yeah, VIP tribune. They invite you, and then video and pictures, and the way they circulate, where they show the way they receive it. Big respect. And for the presence where Paris win Arsenal 2-1 for qualify for finals for Champions League. The last time where some team for France will win Champions League, and not say they nobody call us a Champions League, now Olympique Marseille. And in 1993, and the match they play for Munich. So the final will take place for Munich, Inter de Milan, PSG. Now we go win. Now the question that we ask them, they go hard. It go hard, countryman. And then we go follow up today too. For Ndamba Palaba. Manchester United, it play semi-finals for Europa League. Now so it will take place. It will play against Bilbao. The match, away leg match, Manchester will win 3-0. So now so the thing they countrywoman. Now for yeah, we will put end for the small story. As I always talk, if you see my back, then you know say my belly is there for before. Now only small time again.